Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS law set with rank 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs of JK that is very important from the point of view of TS law set and AP law set. So without wasting our time, let's discuss these questions. So the first question is, एक second, 1 second. So the first question is under which of the following system the British government collected revenue directly from the farmers? Its right answer is B. Virutwari. Question number 2. Who among the following has started the Public Works Department in India in 1848? Its right answer is A. Lord William Bentinck. Question number 3. Who is the exponent of the theory of economic drain of India during the British rule? Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 4. When was the All India Women's Conference founded? Its right answer is D. 1927. Question number 5. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was? Its right answer is A. Mool Sankar. Question number 6. Who among the following set up the Atmiya Sabha in Calcutta in the first half of the 19th century? Its right answer is B. Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 7. Who among the following was the founder of the Servants of India Society? Its right answer is C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 8. Sati was declared illegal and punishable by the Regulation 17th during the Governor Generalship of. Its right answer is B. Lord Canning. Question number 9. Satyarth Prakash was written by. Its right answer is D. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 10. Who among the following is known as Martin Luther of India? Its right answer is A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 11. Lord Macaulay is associated with. Its right answer is C. English education. Question number 12. Which Governor General had abolished slavery? Its right answer is C. Lord Ellenborough. Question number 13. Who among the following Mughal kings had sent Raja Ram Mohan Roy as his envoy to London? Its right answer is C. Akbar II. Question number 14. Who among the following started the newspaper Som Prakash? Its right answer is B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question number 15. Who wrote the famous drama Neel Darpan, which depicted the agony of the indigo cultivators and brutality of the planters? Its right answer is B. Dinbandhu Mitra. Question number 16. Who founded All India Harijan Sevak Sangh? Its right answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 17. The first Indian Factory Act 1881 was passed by. Its right answer is D. Lord Ripon. Question number 18. The first Governor General and Viceroy of British India was. Its right answer is D. Lord Canning. Question number 19. Who is the author of the book The Last Mughal, The Fall of Dynasty, Delhi, 1857? Its right answer is B. William Dalrymple. Question number 20. Who of the following was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is A. Badruddin Tayyib ji. Question number 21. Indian National Congress was founded by. Its right answer is C. A.O. Hume. Question number 22. The first Indian to contest an election to the British House of Commons was. Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 23. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the formation of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is D. Dufferin. Question number 24. Who was called Grand Old Man of India? Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 25. The theme of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's famous novel Anand Math is based on. Its right answer is D. Sannyasi's Revolt. Question number 26. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is D. Annie Besant. Question number 27. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? Its right answer is C. Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 28. Who of the following was the founder of the Bharat Naujawan Sabha in 1926? Its right answer is B. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Question number 29. Other than Annie Besant, who among the following also launched the Home Rule movement in India? Its right answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 30. Who gave the Inqilab Jindabad slogan? Its right answer is C. Bhagat Singh. Question number 31. In which year did Lord Hardinge cancel the partition of Bengal? Its right answer is A. 1911 AD. Question number 32. Who among the following established a republican government in abroad? Its right answer is A. Raja Mahendra Pratap. Question number 33. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian unrest? Its right answer is A. Lord Curzon. Question number 34. In which of the following movements did Mahatma Gandhi make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? Its right answer is A. Allahabad strike 1918. Question number 35. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Its right answer is D. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 36. Under whose leadership was the Congress Socialist Party founded in 1934? Its right answer is B. Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 37. India attained dominion status on. Its right answer is B. 15th August 1947. Question number 38. Which of the following days was declared as the International Day of Non-Violence by the UNO? Its right answer is B. October 2nd. Question number 39. Who among the following was regarded by Mahatma Gandhi as his political guru? Its right answer is D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 40. Who among the following has authored the book Hind Swaraj? Its right answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 41. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty? Its right answer is D. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 42. The capital of Qutbuddin Aibak. Its right answer is A. Lahore. Question number 43. Who among the following established Delhi as the capital of Sultanate? Its right answer is A. Qutbuddin Aibak. Oh, one second. It is wrong. एक second. Question number 43. Who among the following established Delhi as the capital of Sultanate? Its right answer is B. Iltutmish. Question number 44. Who was called a slave of slave? Its right answer is D. Iltutmish. Question number 45. Who of the following was the first woman ruler of medieval India? Its right answer is A. Rajia Sultan. Question number 46. During whose reign Mongol invader Genghis Khan came through the northwest frontier of India? Its right answer is B. Iltutmish. Question number 47. The original name of Genghis Khan was. Its right answer is C. Temuchin. Question number 48. Which Sultan of Delhi is said to have followed the policy of blood and iron? Its right answer is B. Balban. Question number 49. The full name of Sultan of Delhi, Balban was. Its right answer is C. Ghyasuddin. Question number 50. After consolidating his power, Balban assumed the grand title of. Its right answer is C. Jille Ilahi. Question number 51. Which Sultan of Delhi assumed the title of Alexander the Great? Its right answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 52. Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest period? Its right answer is A. Khilji. Question number 53. During the regime of which Sultan was the Khalisa land developed on a large scale? Its right answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 54. Who of the following Muslim rulers enforced a strict price control system during his time? Its right answer is A. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 55. Which one of the following kings of the medieval India began the public distribution system? Its right answer is A. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 56. Which Sultan of Delhi was the first to charge ghari or house tax? Its right answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 58. What was the boundary between the Delhi Sultan and Mongol during the period of Alauddin Khilji after 1306 AD? Its right answer is C. Indus. Question number 58. The sultans of which dynasty ruled the country for the largest period? Its right answer is D. Tughlaq dynasty. Question number 59. The most learned ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, who was well versed in various branches of learning, including astronomy, mathematics, and medicine, was. Its right answer is C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 60. Who amongst the following generals of Alauddin Khilji ultimately became the first Sultan of Tughlaq dynasty? Its right answer is A. Ghazi Malik. Question number 61. Ghazi Malik was the founder of which dynasty? Its right answer is A. Tughlaq dynasty. Question number 62. Which Sultan introduced a new department, Amir Kohi? Its right answer is C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 63. Muhammad bin Tughlaq had transferred his capital from Delhi to. Its right answer is A. Daulatabad. Question number 64. For the first time, the token currency was introduced in India by. Its right answer is D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 65. The Sultan of Delhi, who concerned about the charity and alms and established a department called Diwan-e Khairat for it, was. Its right answer is B. Firoz Tughlaq. Question number 66. Who brought two Asoka pillars to Delhi from Topra and Meerut? Its right answer is B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Question number 67. What was Darul Sifa established by Firoz Tughlaq? Its right answer is B. Afiri Hospital. Question number 68. Who was the last rulers of the Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate? Its right answer is C. Nasiruddin Mahmud. Question number 69. In whose region did Taimur invaded India? Its right answer is D. Nasiruddin Tughlaq. Question number 70. In which year did Taimur Lang attack India? Its right answer is B. 1398 AD. Question number 71. Which one of the following sultans founded a town where now stands Agra? Its right answer is D. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 72. Which medieval sultan has the credit of founding the city of Agra and making it the capital of the Sultanate? Its right answer is D. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 73. Who among the following was the founder of the Ghaznavid dynasty? Its right answer is C. Sebuk Tigin. Question number 74. Who was the author of Shahnama? Its right answer is B. Firdausi. Question number 75. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Its right answer is C. 1757. Question number 76. Dash was the first Mughal emperor to acquire Kohinoor diamond. Its right answer is B. Humayun was the first Mughal emperor to acquire Kohinoor diamond. Question number 77. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Its right answer is B. Babur. Question number 78. The original name of Sher Shah was? Its right answer is C. Farid. Question number 79. Amir Khusro's name is associated with the invention of the. Its right answer is C. Sitar. Question number 80. Who of the following became the member of the Deen-e-Ilahi? Its right answer is C. Raja Birbal. Question number 81. National calendar of India is based on which Samvat era? Its right answer is C. Saka Samvat. Question number 82. The credit of commencement of Gupta Samvat was has given to whom? Its right answer is A. Chandragupta first. Question number 83. Tripitaka is the religious text of. Its right answer is B. Buddhists. Question number 84. Who has written the Has Charit? Its right answer is B. Bhanabhatta. Question number 85. What is the name of Megasthenes' book? Its right answer is D. Indica. Question number 86. Fahiyan came to India during whom reign? Its right answer is D. Chandragupta II. Question number 87. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? Its right answer is A. Alexander Cunningham. Question number 88. Among the following scholars, who was the first discoverer of Harappan civilization? Its right answer is D. Dayaram Sahni. Uh, Question number 89. Harappan civilization had discovered in which year? Its right answer is C. 1921 AD. Question number 90. Two first Indians associated with discovery of Indus Valley civilizations are. Its right answer is A. Dayaram Sahni and Rakhildas Banerjee. Question number 91. Excavation of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa was visited by. Its right answer is B. Sir John Marshall. Question number 92. Chach Nama is the history of Sindh and was originally written in. Its right answer is C. Arabic language. Question number 93. Bhimbetka is famous for. Its right answer is A. Cave painting. Question number 94. The first metal used by man was. Its right answer is C. Copper. Question number 95. Lothal is a site where dockyard of which of the following civilization were found? Its right answer is A. Indus Valley civilization. Question number 96. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of. Its right answer is A. Pakka bricks. Question number 97. The Indus Valley people traded with the. Its right answer is B. Mesopotamians. Question number 98. Where was Mahavira Swami born? Its right answer is A. Kundagram. Question number 99. Buddha was born at. Its right answer is B. Lumbini. Question number 100. The fourth Buddhist council was convened during the regime of king. Its right answer is C. Kaniska. So that's it for this video. We will discuss we will discuss more in next video that will be very important from the point of view of TS law set and AP law set. In upcoming video we will discuss related to legal aptitude and mental ability. So if you are visiting first time, let make sure to visit previous video and see. That will be very important from the point of view of your preparation. So that's it for today's video. We will meet in next video. uh, Thank you very much. Thank you.